Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude. We have just started our new chapter algebra and we are just discussing about the idea of variables. Okay, so just see in book or you can see on the screen also, page number 223. In the above example, we find a rule to give the number of matchsticks required to make the pattern of L. Okay, the rule is number of matchstick required is equal to 2n. Now in the Amina, Sarita and that Appu's example, what we discuss about? We have discussed about the number of matchsticks required to form the L. Here n is the number of L's in the pattern. N takes the value 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take table 1 once again. In the table, value of n goes on changing. As a result, number of matchsticks also goes on changing. Yes, if we see, it is not that we have to take the n is equal to 5. So we get number of matchstick required 10. But if you want to change the number of L's, definitely number of matchsticks required definitely changes na, right na, that means its value go on changing. Both values are changing, number of matchsticks also changing and number of L's also changing. N is an example of variable, its value is not fixed. I think everyone know the exact meaning of vary means changing on, and the noun form variable. Okay, that means it has no fixed value. It can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4. We wrote the rule for the number of matchsticks required using variable n. Okay, the word variable is means something that can vary, changes, the value is not fixed. Fine. Now we are seeing the matchstick pattern of L. So let's talk about the another patterns. So here another pattern has taken the letter C. Okay. So Amina and Sarita have become the quite interesting in matchstick patterns. They now want to try the pattern of the letter C. To make one C, they use the 3 matchsticks. Everyone see in book first diagram A in figure 11.2. Okay, so see page number 223, otherwise you can see on the screen this first figure. This is the C, right? So how many matchsticks are required here for one C? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so for making one C, 3 matchsticks are required. For making 2C, how many matchsticks are required? 1, okay fine, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many sticks are required here? 6. Here 9. Here 12. Okay. So, see the below table. See this table. For making 8C, how many number of matchsticks required? 24. If I said about 10, then how many sticks required? Tell me. It required 30 matchsticks, right? So, can you complete the entries left blank? Of course, we can complete it. Okay, and the rule will be number of matchstick required is equal to 3n, and n stand for the letter C, number of letter C. Okay, C had used the letter n for the number of seeds and n variable taking from 1, 2, 3. Do you agree with Sarita? Remember 3n is the same as 3 into n. Next, Amina and Sarita wish to make a pattern of F. Change. First we have made the letter. Which letter we have made? L. Second we made C. And now thirdly we are making the letter F. So for F how many sticks are required? See. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sticks are required here? 4. This 4 and 4, 8. This 12. So 4, 8 and 12. Okay. So next Amina and Sarita wish to form the pattern of F. Make us of 4 mastic. Can you now make the rule for making pattern F? Yes, can anyone tell me? It is very easy na? Number of sticks required is equal to 4 into n. Because for making one F we require 4 sticks. Okay. Now next. We can make the rule for this different English alphabets, or we can say here shapes also. So for U, how many sticks are required? 1, 2 and 3. So see here in the bracket it has shown. For V, how many? No, so can anyone tell me the rule for it? Number of mastic required is equal to 3n, right now? So for V, how much sticks are required? 2. So what will be the rule? Number of mastic required is equal to 2 into n. For triangle, 3 sticks are required. For square, 4 sticks are required. Okay. So let's start the next. Okay. Now see in the pink box. Carefully I will read it. So first of all listen and then we will understand. One may use a letter as M, P, X, Y, Z, etc. to show a variable. Yes. It is not compulsory that we in the above pattern. So making of L, making of C, making of F, we are using the letter small n. Okay. So instead of n, you can take any small letter, that is M, L, P, X, Y, Z, whatever it may be. Right. Remember, a variable is a number which does not have fixed value, right? The name itself tells variable is changing. For example, the number 5 or the number 100 or any other given number is not variable. So they have fixed value. Similarly, the number of angles of a triangle has fixed, that is 3. It is not variable. The corner of a quadrilateral are 4 are fixed. It is not variable. But n is the example we have looked is a variable. So it takes a various values. Definitely. Okay, the n's value are increasing. But if we are taking triangle, so it has only 3 corners, or we can say 3 sides. If we are taking quadrilateral, it has 4 sides or 4 corners fixed. Now let's see on page number 225. Now let us consider the variable in more similar situations. Now we are using the variables in the only mastic pattern. Suppose take another example. Okay, so let's see which example is discussed here. The students went to buy a notebook from the school bookstore. Price of one notebook is ₹5. What is the price of one notebook? 5. Munnu wants to buy 5 notebook. Appu wants to buy 7 notebook. Now, can you form the pattern? For one notebook, the price is ₹5. So, what will the formula? Number of so we can say price of notebook is equal to n. You can take n, or you can take b, or we can say c multiplied by 5 or 5c. C stand for number of copies or number of notebooks. Okay. So let's see. If Munnu wants 5, so what will the price? 5 into C, that is 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. Now let's talk about Appu. Appu wants to buy 7 notebooks. So it will be 5 into C. C stands for number of notebooks. So it is 7. So 5 into 7 we get 35. Okay.